Welcome to our journey towards a sustainable future.
Today, we explore the importance of our Earth and how the Eco Oasis project at Davao City College is making a difference. Our garden is not just an ordinary green space, it's a living classroom. However, Eco Oasis is not done yet.
Eco Oasis is not just about learning, it is about fostering environmental awareness. By immersing students in the rich biodiversity of our garden, we promote a deeper appreciation of conservation efforts and the natural world around us.
Soon, this garden will provide an invaluable research opportunity. Students can conduct experiments and projects, developing their scientific inquiry skills and exploring botanical topics in depth.
Beyond education and research, Eco Oasis is a tranquil space for relaxation and rejuvenation.
It's a place where students can recharge amidst nature's beauty, promoting overall well-being. Planting plants gives students an environment of relaxation.
One of our key goals is to promote sustainable practices.
We implement eco-friendly techniques like composting, water conservation, and native plant cultivations to model sustainable landscaping and gardening.
We also engage the school community to support our project.
By involving students like the NSTP, faculty, and local residents in garden making, we foster a sense of community and share responsibility of our environment.
Soon, this garden will align with our school's curriculum.
This will enrich classroom instruction and provide practical experience that would complement theoretical learning across various subjects.
Caring for our earth starts with small action. Simple practices like recycling, conserving water, and using renewable energy can significantly impact our planet's health.
Planting trees, reducing plastic use, and using sustainable products are other ways to contribute to the environmental care.
Every effort counts in making a difference.
Workshops and hands-on activities can help us understand the importance of these practices.
It's about building habits that benefit the earth and the future generations.
Our actions today shapes the world of tomorrow.
By nurturing projects like the Eco Oasis and adopting sustainable practices,
We can create a healthier and greener planet for all.
Join us in caring for the earth. Support Eco Oasis and learn, engage, and take actions. Together, we can make a difference.